Hello friends, welcome back to QLinks. Today we are going to talk about top 5 baby and kids affiliate programs that every parent influencer should join. Part 2. Halfway through we have Fat Brain Toys US. It specializes in educational, STEM focused toys with strong brand recognition among parents and educators. Here you earn 4.50% commission on all toys and game sales within a 1-day cookie window. Ideal for impulse purchase. Its low cookie duration is offset by high conversion rate for niche educational content, so you can join it. You can also deep link products here. Next up is the Webshop affiliate program. It is available in Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Hong Kong. Webshop is rapidly growing flash sales retailer in Asia, offering steep discounts on branded kids, fashion, mom and baby, toys and games products. Thus, its affiliate program is perfect for parent influencers or kids content creators focusing on deals, personal care and fashion in Southeast Asia. Coming to the commission rates, Webshop Philippines, Singapore and Thailand offer 4.20%, Webshop Malaysia offers 2.62%, Webshop Hong Kong is at 2.10%. On 7th, we have the Baby Central Hong Kong affiliate program. Baby Central is leading baby retailer in Hong Kong with a trusted local brand and a wide section of international baby essentials. Commission rate is 4.35% with a 30-day long cookie lifetime. Baby Central carries an extensive selection of strollers, car seats, nursery furniture, feeding supplies and toys from top global brands. Its average order value tends to be high, ranging from 1,200 to 2,000 Hong Kong dollars, thanks to premium priced items and bundled gift sales. As one of Hong Kong's oldest baby specialized since 1998, Baby Central enjoys strong brand loyalty. Its in-store pickup and same-day delivery option drive conversion rates above 4% for regional shoppers. Affiliates get access to high-resolution product images, seasonal lookbooks, exclusive discount codes, and tailored newsletters features. The affiliate team also provides monthly performance insights and coupon campaigns around key shopping festivals like 11/11, Chinese New Year, etc. Moving on now to FairPrice Singapore. FairPrice is Singapore's top grocery and baby goods chain that offers everyday essentials. The FairPrice is Singapore's affiliate program is ideal for content around baby nutrition, grocery hauls, and family budgeting. It has cost per sale, that is CPS affiliate campaign, paying 6% and 0.75% for new and existing users, respectively. Additionally, you can promote via banner, deals, coupons, cashbacks, offers, reward points, incentives, charity, email and social media. Next, we have Lidl affiliate program for Czech Republic, Germany and France. Lidl is a well-known European discount retailer with a strong brand loyalty. Its affiliate program is great for influencers in Central Eastern Europe focusing on budget-friendly baby and family essentials. On the commission front, the Lidl Czech Republic program offers 1.20% to 3.42%, then Lidl Germany scales up from 3.38% to 6.75%, along with a flat 362.53 euros on Lidl Connect. Finally, Lidl France pays between 1.88% to 3.75%. Last but not the least is the Maylily Poland affiliate program. Maylily has unique handcrafted baby accessories with a focus on sustainability and design. It is popular as a premium Polish baby brand producing handmade eco-friendly textiles. High AOV and eco-conscious brand stories appeal to niche parenting audiences in Europe and globally. Selecting the right kids and baby product affiliate programs involves balancing commission rates, cookie durations, product relevance and brand trust. From Amazon's global reach to niche regional leaders like First Cry and Baby Central, these top 10 programs offers diverse opportunities to monetize parenting content. Even kids and baby content creators can benefit. Before going, make a note that since many brands have a whole lot more than baby and kid products and services, even if your audience make purchases from other categories like men and women fashion, electronics, home and kitchen, etc., you will get commission if that product category is payable by the specific affiliate program. We have given all the top 10 baby and kids affiliate programs link in the description. If you want to know more about affiliate programs, there are ABC Mouse Minis One Buy Shop Australia, which you can also join. You can sort this by earnings, clicks, conversions, etc. Now you have to decide what campaign type you have to use according to your audience. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep sharing affiliate links and keep earning. We'll see you in the next one.